Remake ta achu we kamtaya paubing. Manipur we create passenger train ungzang khwaing ranping haira. President Mumuna flag off Sami Gidale. Young Leaders Connect Makok Mida Northeast Young Heroes Award Mishok Haira. Lake Thor Ajit Tangkhul Express Pipau Thangmeiring Chodang in a Bamidale, Bobbing him Messiah Nganang Rumsa. Manipur we create passenger train Kongsang Ungzang Kwai Ranping Haira. Akartala we end up Manipur Kung Yarwi Rare Kariji President Draupadi Murmuna flag of Samira Kala Kongsang Station ni Achawi Tarik Trada Katumtang Ungzangidaleya. Bawa Tishuda passenger train number 12097/12098 Akartala Cheribam Akartala Jan Shatabdi Express ji Tarik Trada Katumtang Ngator Pung Trali Akartala Railway Station we end at Pokra. President Draupadi Murmuna Tripura ina Assembly Gatumthang Wiwang Yaung the development projects Ngate the Unghapok Migi the Leya. A Kong Chili Ponda Rail Kare Chilia Joho Migi Chiksana. Kongsang Railway Station J Infal we ena kilometer Shaka Apatruk Tada Kare ena Pungmati Shikazada. Itumna Paningupai Ot Kapung Rail Kare Kresada Kongsang Railway Station Li Rani Kaitinlu Station Tamenglong District we ena Mayo Kachang Unghaira. Ajakum Tareo Kachang Rani Kaitinlu Railway Station Li Ot Kapung Rail Kare Ungzangda India Ningkhan Sampang Kahai Witili Manipur we create rail service Hawkbok Masaya. Young Leaders Connect Kachishada Makok Mida Ningchuk Kamata Yaru Wang Kapa Kwirami Kahai Northeast Kanutot Pingli Saman Mida Kayakashi Pongshokhaira. Upon Mili capacity building Wivang Ot Sami Kahai Kala employment generation upon Kwirami Kahai Pingli Northeast Young Heroes Award Mishokhaira. Healthcare Willie ERC Eye Care founder and MT Assam now Dr. Parvez Ubed. Entrepreneurship Willie Co-Billion founder CEO Roshan Farhan, Administration Willie Manipur now IAS officer Buja Elangpam, Sports Lee Indian weightlifter Aizo now Jeremy Laring Nunga, Education Willie Kajab Lee Khalei, Eklava Model Residential School Principal Siddharth Yonzon, Social Innovation Lee Mekhalaya we Takti Craft we co-founder Rita Katpo, Tourism Willie Arunachal Pradesh we Imutu Trackers Advisor Jimu Mele, Media and Entertainment Willie Indian actor Kala model Nagaland now Antria Gevichusa Atumna Awardchi Sampanga. Northeast Young Heroes Awardchi Northeast India we me Zingum Tarada Jishad Aina Hangmatida Pangawe Alung Pingwivangna.
Walk-in interview in UCRO. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy is yet again coming back to UCRO on 20th of October from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Salom Cafe, Winovajai, UCRO. R&T Institute is one of the leading aviation academy in the Northeast. With 100% placement assistant record and a lot of young candidates from UCRO have been placed in different airlines and few are still undergoing the training. All interested candidates may call or WhatsApp the given number for registration. The institute is open for both male and female candidates. Hurry up, register now.
UCRO District Olympic Association mi khani shina semda kachipashi we ena zatki gichi khala yarili khanghan sang sakhaira. Akhwak UCRO District Sports Association zanglaga Olympic Association shemhaira. Lakhwak State Olympics we UCRO District Games Coordinator Robert Maide zanglaga Olympic Association shemda chui phungwula kapang sanghaira. Pungapada Kalehili Tiomeka address Kusata Pungwu President Aina General Secretary Kabangahai UCRO District Olympic Association Shina Ayapao Mishoga. Chile Yangaka Association Chile Saghai Election we official leader Mamiwala WhatsApp group li Kachishat Aina Vaik Haina. Kala Robert Maidena Gahang Taka Association Kani Aina Kazachi Akava Kangapai we Ena Kashok Mongna. UCRO District Olympic Association we press conference Aya Central School campus Lirungda Association Jina Zadrag Hai Maram Pajite Hera. Association Jina Gahang UCRO District Olympic Association we Kare Gazib Ajigum Pai Gachang Kui Gagali Manipur Olympic Association na Kapangasang Manipur District Games Coordinator Robert Maitain Athanda Ngasan laga Second Manipur Olympic Games 2022 ibang Ukhrul District Sports Association na WhatsApp account kasem kala logo aina flag caretaker Otngurut Kuiranu da taya. Tuidak tatang gazip chile Yudisa Zangda Sports Association Trada Khani Zanga Chia Association Jui ka Khani Gazibli Discipline Chiko Members Trada Mati Zangda Atumna Kokasada Ramyo Chipangli Ukhrul District Olympic Association President Kapang Sang Kala Rungshin Kareli Secretary da Kapang Sanga Kapang Sang Ji Olympic Games Wibang District Coordinator Li Ot Sangrum Kavaida Pangathang Wibang Mang Kaja Pai Tarik Magada Trukwi Ena Tumra Aina Tangda Wibang Kapang Sang na Chia MOA we Jizakami Atishuda, Pay Direct Makada Matitang, Torch Relay Kwikaya, Torch Relay Utisa Office Wino Bazawi, and TC Office Mini Secretary, and a Tangdasada. Ngahanji Kuk Kailaga Ukhrul District Olympic Association we Kagatuma Gazibli President and General Secretary Kapangkavai Election Sem Kavai Interim Body Sem Luda. Members being the Ramyo Chipang, Robert Maidekala Rungshin Kare Atumli Bosada, Big Jang Tarik Mugadashini Tang Interim Body China Election Notice Aina Felicitation Marang Sanlaga Election with details Shok Mi Gahaina Jia. President Wivang Nomination Kani Raya Akana Archery Association we Aina MLA Ram Wiva, Sipak Dagro Association we Aina Shangsha Kulen now Rebang Varu Anina. Ka Sepak Takraw hi MOA na approve kasa Olympic Games with discipline maning to the Varui nomination mukhisang mitugi jina. Chidada UTOA we election li MLA Ram Wivalik President Kapang Sangkala Rungshin Kareli General Secretary Sada Kapang Sanghaina. Election jili vote sa kawai Ajahon State Olympic li Sharukhi Kahai Association pingli Mushun Miyada Association chui press release li hanga. Ajawan Tarik Taruktang emergency meeting pam da discipline Tarada Shinili Mi Mugada Jikona Ngazek Laga interim body na election ji Saharanu da members ping na Mayang Rokta election Gasana da hanga. Hangda Kalehi official notification shock Laga Gasamaning Manaka Association Jina group li Kaja WhatsApp group li Pau Gasang na da hanga. Kala Chuivang interim body Jina apologize Gasa Pong Shoka. Group li Chishat Haugada Association ping ni official letter Makamina da hanga. Press conference chile Robert Maitain na Kamatuili Kahang, Ali Ukhrul District We Games Coordinator Kapangasang Wivang Ali, Kiwivang Kapangsang Haukala Gaji Mina Kanghan Tra Kasaya Ka, Chitayi Chilala Ana Tangkhul Lishi Hauda, Kala Kanutot Pingni, Semngai Haugada dedicate Sada Ot Sada Kalina Chia. Ukhrul District Olympic Association da Kani Aina Chata Kalai Hiwi Maramli, Robert Maitain na Kahang Gatana Sakangai Ningjangna Kahai Wivangna. Sportsmen akana awi discipline we had sablung ragaji malemana kala sports ina koka kasawi apong sahawda hili itumna maring pa kangarok aina mapamla koka sada mangawasa da games coordinator jina hangsanga. Manipur Olympic Association wili aming vale salapai ka awi odwa ajahina katangna da Robert Maitain na hanga. Aponix Labs Private Limited we authorized dealer Green East Electric Vehicle Manipuli launch Sahira. Launch Kasaje K Naram Lekai Chanjipuli Kazipta Minister YAS BWT Minister Konthajam Govindas Lavazanga. Konthajam Govindas Naghang Climate Change Manipuli la Shoktale. Tatraha Alung Zangi Chura Ka Mamukui Ranga Kaji Hangda E-vehicle Kaja Tauro Aina Maningla May electricity Aina Gazat Kari Hina eco-friendly Samaya. Tauro Aina Gazat Kari Matala E-vehicles by environmentally la Masazamanada Minister Jina Hangsanga. Green East Electric Vehicles we press release Lighang. Green East E-vehicle company Kasemhi Manipuli electric scooters Samlaga Myanmar Zangda Apam Gateli Yorshok Kawai Ningrin Aina Haugapokna. Arihon Zadnada Klay Petro Aina Diesel Kari Bing now the noise la air pollution wivang Aina Kakamra Haura La Taura Aman la Kamamanda Naudo Wivang Paningaka Electric Kareli Jihangi Jina the Hanga. Aponix company he electric vehicle segment willi Ramakeup Kaji company na Kala brand Kahak Wivang Semi Hyrajia. Greenis e vehicles Quirak Kahai hi Ara Yari response Kata Sani Kala Kaji Yanglaga assembling Kala manufacturing phase Maron Vara the Hanga. Railway line lehaugada apam ngate dali pung pungba kasala ko mai harakala Southeast Asian countries lila Korean le dalejia Heli electric scooter semlaga abam kateli yorshok shaphaya ka Manipur wi khamataya achievement ngasara langphai kwai apongla khirami rada Green East electric vehicle we press release chili hangsanga electric car ji lansinli jot khamaya pingnala tongrer kwai amantra ka suidami hera kala pani phana atamwi discount luba thingthra ka da suidami dalei da hanga Kakching district le heroin number 4 powder Ningkamong Manipur police na tukui hera Ningkamong nishari 606 gram lesada ji Kakching police na aya chitheya police na gahang nishari ji baler maning lekaiwi akup lamgang gohomi akawi aina tukakwina ari ji sob case li sanghai kasana police na rikroda mipachi na hang shok aina police team ji na Chandel district Thamlang bokpi curly raid wada heroin number 4 ji sob case hangmati da truk thumhai kasala wakhui mihawa Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Saksa Samajwadi Party we founder Mulayam Singh Yadav aya okutwi ena country hera Yadav kazada ngahara laga Medanda Hospital Gurugram li thikasangna Yadav mawan saga highway wang Prime Minister Narendra Modi na kakhanang phongshok da shimkhuli condolence mi hera Mulayam Singh Yadav ji he emergency atamni democracy we kamataya raimi akang saya kala defense minister lasada maling khamai pangkhamai India li khurak vai otngrut khumi haida leda motina hanga yadafli khangshik pani ungda kashok jangni awi thai ko kui kapaning hon jisaya da motina hanga la luida achu we kamataya pauping Manipur we kre passenger train ungjang khwai ngaran ping haira President Mumuna flag off Sami Gidale. Young Leaders Connect Makok Mida Northeast Young Heroes Award Mishok Haira. Aju Bao Heling Jangaira, Bao Manada Linda Tum Sai Correlly, Ringapagala Kamahaya Zimisho Musa Sereno.